Hi, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law right here in the state of Tennessee. And one of the areas of law that I practice in is automobile accident cases, personal injury, in other words. And from time to time, people will ask me a question. What happens if the accident is both drivers' fault? What if they share a fault equally? Well, that doesn't happen. That would be my answer, but actually occasionally it does. It does happen. Here in Tennessee, we have what's called comparative fault or comparative negligence. That just means that the fault is compared and assigned to the two different drivers. So if you had fault assigned to you of 20%, in other words, they said you're 20% liable for this injury, and recovery was $10,000, you'd be entitled to $8,000. That's the way it works. What if fault is 50-50? What then? Well, then you can't recover. Neither party can recover if fault is 50% or greater. So that's how this negligence thing works. Now, who determines what fault is? Well, ultimately it's determined by the jury at trial. We would like to determine it before that, and we do that by by doing an investigation and by assembling evidence, by looking at the police video cameras that function in intersections, by getting the black box computer records from your automobile and looking at them, things of that nature, police reports and so forth. We can tell then kind of what fault is, and we go forward with the case from there. We try to protect our clients as best we can to make sure that their fault doesn't climb up there toward 50%. That's why you need a good attorney, folks. You call me right now, I think you'll be glad you did.